How to group elements in Canva. Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me on this video. Today I'm going to show you how to group elements in Canva. So let's get straight to the video. I'm going on Canva. Let's open a new document. I'm going to open 5000 by 5000 pixel file. Create new design. I already downloaded files from Creative Fabrica, these elements, but you can download elements for free if you go to freebies. It doesn't matter if it's going to be flowers or some other kind of graphics. So let's get back to Canva. There you go, we've got 5000 by 5000 pixel documents. Let's open the downloads. So now let's add few elements. This one, this one, this one, this one, and one butterfly, let's say. Let's this one as well. I will make them smaller. I will grab one element. You can duplicate the elements from here. When you click on the plus duplicate, you can see, you can click on the element, hold out, and drag the element. Is going to duplicate this one. And the third method, you can click on the element, press Ctrl C, and then click here, Ctrl V, and it's going to duplicate the element. So now let's say we're going to create seamless pattern. Put the element on the middle. You can see the line. When you see the line, it's perfectly on the middle, and it's going to snap. Perfect. I will put this little bit down. After that, we can grab the both elements and group them. But before we group them, we can go from here, align, or here on position is going to open left side window, and we're going to put them in the middle, and they're perfectly aligned. And now we can group them from here. Now we can group them with Ctrl G, or we can group them with right click and group. So let's repeat. We can put this one here and this one here. So now we can grab all of them like this, but if we got another files, we cannot grab the elements like this. We need to press on the first element, hold shift, and press on the second element. It's going to group them. Now we can align them and group them. That's it. Let's do one vertical. I will put this on the middle. Let's grab the butterfly. I will make this little bit smaller. Okay, I will put the butterfly here. Come on. Perfect. Let's open another document, and I'm going to put the document here to have more space. So perfect. So press on the element, hold out, grab the element. Let's move this here in the center. Put the butterfly down. You can see the line. Now click on the, let's say this one. Click on this one, shift, hold shift, click on the second one, and now it's going to be on the center. Perfect. And now we Ctrl G, I can group them. Done. And now I can put a rest of the files. I can ungroup them to work easiest. Perfect. And I can add the rest of the elements and create seamless pattern. Let's say this one is here. Move this like this. This one is here. This one is here. Hold out, grab the element, click on this one, hold out, grab the element. You can see how easy it is. Grab the butterfly. I can swap this element, butterfly, this butterfly here, this one here, this one here. Now I need to group the butterflies again. Click on this one, hold shift, click on the second one, position, center, group. Perfect. And I can move them here. This one is smaller. I think we are almost ready. Let's say, which one? This one. Make this smaller, like this. This one smaller. So it's not perfect, but it's going to work for the video. Let's say this is going to be our pattern. You can fill the rest and create better seamless pattern. Let's download this. I'm using the Pro version. If you don't have the Pro version, you need to remove the background in different software. Now let's download this transparent background PNG. I'm going to download just the second page. Download. Just wait a few more seconds. I will grab the file here. Let's grab it here. There you go. So let's check. Put this on the right hand corner. Duplicate the file, not the page. Duplicate the file. You can see it's seamless. Now grab both of them, or you can click on the first one, hold shift, second one, out, and I can grab them, and they're perfectly seamless. Let's make them bigger. You can see. So let's recap. We've got the file. We can duplicate the file from here, or Control C, Control V, or hold out and grab the file. So let's now group them together, put one of the files. We can put them here as well, like this. Now we can grab them this way. We can click on the first one, shift, second one, from here, align. I can't remember this middle. Perfect. Now we can group them from here. We can press Control G, you can see, or we can right click and group them. Perfect. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you and you learned something new from me. If so, hit the subscribe button and notification bell. I will highly appreciate this. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.